think I messed it up. Kage. Oh yeah, Kage is definitely Falcon. And then Alex. Alright, so this is still winner's bracket round 1.
Ask him how to move over the winner's bracket thing on top.
Oh yeah. Andrew.
Right, well, we're starting up.
We'll fix it.
And Kage's Falcon, right?
Yeah, Kage's Falcon was looking dominant earlier when he was playing friendlies, so.
Okay then.
Nice recovery, right on Randall. I like that. Catching the up air with his stomp. Yeah, covering all the options there, and he's the shy guy for good riddance. I like it. Nice tech chase. See if he can get anything out of this. Oh, okay. Solid choice, though.
That would have been nice.
Would have covered tech in place. Oh, the down angle forward tilt. I love it. Oh, grabs the ledge. That's so ballsy against Sheiks.
Yeah.
When they're on the ledge like that. Oh, follows him onto the platform. Drops down to get the up air.
I think that's it. Yeah.
Nice.
So do you know anything about Alex or no?
No, I guess both of these players are from Montreal, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't go enough tournaments in Montreal to know Kage.
Both
both of them.
two young Canadian men.
Yeah.
Oh my god, just missed it after the soft back air. Good edge guard.
That's it.
Oh wow.
Solid up tilts.
I still, yeah. Well, again.
Oh man.
The knee.
Covering all your options. There's nowhere to go.
That knee, man.
This gentleman.
Missed the grab.
Okay, just all over him right now.
Yeah, well, he's getting some good combos.
Oh, where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go?
Oh, wait.
Oh, not done yet? Okay, yep.
Yeah, there it is. And
Oh man.
we're gonna see a knee coming.
Almost a combo.
Oh, you could have got the knee there. I have a feeling he's gonna end it with a knee. I can see it.
Up throw.
Oh god, there.
Not quite, not quite.
Almost.
That doesn't work on Sheik. At least not at that percent.
Yeah.
Wes, are you watching?
Oh man. Is Alex bringing this back?
Never know.
Oh, maybe not. Maybe. Oh my god, sick wave land off the
And
platform
there.
there. Nice, Kage going up by 1.
That was not pretty, but that was pretty good. Match.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Stream saying anything?
Talking about the Yoshi matchup.
Someone said they are in fact watching.
Fantastic.
You guys should share the stream. Tell everyone that Kage is playing, and maybe we'll get some more viewers.
What was that?
But they should share the stream and be like, "Yo, Kage's
Well,
playing."
the one guy said he posted on Reddit.
Yeah, okay. I was telling them before to do it. Like way before, like in the first round there, the first wave. I told people to share it on there, but
Yeah. Oh man.
God, Randall. Oh,
Oh, unsafe forward smash on shield there.
oh, I just missed Randall.
God damn.
Get red!
Nice grabbing of the lips there. Nothing you can do.
Get the red! Get the red! Get the
People getting red left and right here.
gets red.
Oh, nice knee.
Punch!
Oh, the people's elbow. Ending that stock. man. Oh, sick. Great frame traps.
There we go.
Unreal. Kage taking that 2-0.
Rub X.